where you're at right now, not making anything of note, you're just stagnant and have little motivation to do anything big or take any chances. This is a one lifetime opportunity right now, and you should just let it slip away. It's what you want to do, and it was given to you right on a silver platter. Just take it. My name is Christian Schiazzo is my pseudonym for artistry, and I am in Arizona. Mainly, I was just making a bunch of random work in progresses, not really going anywhere with them. I guess I really didn't have much direction, is the issue. I was just kind of going through the motions, basically. An issue I was having before was getting a song to my liking and actually being releasing it.
How did you not moving forward with music affect people around you?
I would tell them that, oh, I make tunes or beats, but I never threw anything out there for anyone to listen to. So it's kind of just like a constant waiting game for them, basically. They tend to ask me about them sometimes, the specific people, and I would just be like, "No, I don't write music. I just don't want to talk about it. Leave it like, no, no, it's not a thing. Don't worry about it. He's making it up."
How did you find out about Best Music Coach?
I, I found an OST reaction, and I was hesitant at first, but I said, you know what? I want to make music. It's a passion I want, so let's do it.
What has your experience been like with Best Music Coach?
It's been actually very helpful knowing more because before I actually did not really know anything about how music gets released after actually making it. It helped with that side. And then also understanding the music itself that I'm making and listening to on a deeper level and how they make it good, sound good to me at least. Definitely the energy that stands out to me in the courses. It gets me pumped to want to actually do something rather than like standard classroom setting. High school was was rough. Having a community of like-minded people very, very helpful for me. I typically do not have that around me. For most of my passions, I tend to be very different from the people I've met, unfortunately. But having an online community was very helpful and it helped push me forward to be able to see myself grow and along with them and have a better understanding of them and how they write music. Having others with the same passion really helped me push me forward to do the things I want to. Working with Dan was pretty great. He is very high energy because I'll be honest, I am not. I talk very slowly. I move slowly. I think slowly, but having someone much quicker than me definitely helps me get quicker too. And it got the ball rolling very, very fast.
What were your doubts and fears going into the Gamer Music Creator Group?
I'd say my only doubt or fear of signing up really was just the financial aspect, but that quickly went away. I just need to relax, stop being a Mr. Krabs.
Why did you decide to take action and join the group anyway, even though you had doubts?
Honestly, I really wanted to go improve my music composing skills, and I wasn't really making much progress on my own, if I'm being honest.
What progress have you made since joining the group? What can you do now that you couldn't do before?
I say I'm at a pretty good spot. I can think of how to continue music much better, where I want to go with it, and not just write a couple of lines and say, "Yeah, I'll get back to it later." And later is like 6 months or never. Feels great. I just feel much better about writing the music actually, and probably sharing it. I gained a lot more confidence in showing off my music. I used to be very private about it, and definitely helped me be more open. I'd say my biggest win so far is releasing my first proper tune on multiple platforms like Apple, YouTube Music, and the Spotify, and even getting more close to being able to release on those platforms as well. I got a pretty big catalog that's almost nearly done, and I'm thinking of making an album out of them. This experience has definitely helped me open up and be more vocal about things, and makes me much more happy that I could actually do something that I've been wanting to do my whole life, but never really gave it a try fully.
Since you joined the group, and now you can create music whenever you want, what has happened to the people around you?
They definitely got to know me better. The positive feedback, because I used to be very keep to myself, and now that they know that I'm into music and composing it, they have more understanding of me. Makes me feel much better being around them. That's for sure. Because I'm very shy, and at least being able to talk to them about certain stuff makes it easier. I could like tell them my music, show them my music, see how they like it, and start a little conversation.
What would you say to someone who feels unsure about taking the next step to apply for the group?
I say if it's something you really want to make a career out of, or just even a big hobby of yours, I say it's a really good sign up, a good idea to sign up, especially if you're having trouble and you're stagnant, just trying to be self-taught. That's the issue I personally had, and even though this might not be a career for me, just I enjoy just writing the music itself, so that's good enough for me personally. It's fun. You're gonna make a lot more progress on your music producing skills by signing up for a course. Because where you're at right now, just not making anything of note. You're just stagnant and have little motivation to do anything big or take any chances. So this is pretty much a one lifetime opportunity right now, and should just let it slip away. It's what you want to do, and it was given to you right on a silver platter. Just take it.